Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about instance methods in a Python. So what is the instance method? Instance methods are methods that operate on a instance variables and belongs to an object. So they must have a self as their first parameters. So what is the instance method? They should have self is a first parameter which refers to the current object. So you can see the key feature of a instance method can access and modify the instance variables called using the object, automatically receives an object reference as a sale. So you can see the example. Suppose this is a class student and this is a constructor. Def, init, self, name and marks. And this is the instance variable self.name, self.marks. And you can see this method def display and the parameter is a sale. So that's why this is a instance method. Why? Because this is a first parameter is a self and this is a inside the class. So that's why this is a instance method. What is why this is instance method? Just read this definition again. Instance methods are methods that operate on instance variables and belong to an object. Belong to an object. You can see here this operating on instance variables. This f string is a student and self dot name. What is the self dot name? This is this instance variable. Just operating on this variable. This is called as a instance methods. And you can see this next one def update mark self and this parameter you can see just pass the new marks. This is also instance method save.marks equals to new marks. So just create the object. This one equals to student Kiran and 85 and this one dot display and this one dot updated mark. So we are calling by using this object instance methods, right? So 92 and this one dot display again. So this will be output like 85 and after that 92 Kiran 85 and after 92. Just see this example in our VS Code. Just open your VS Code. So create a file for that instance method. Instance underscore methods dot py. So create a class student. Students. You can see here. Just create a class student. Create one constructor. Def underscore init. Self keyword is compulsory. You already learn about that. And just pass this to variable name and marks. Name comma marks. And in that you have to declare the instance variables. So we can operate the instance variable by using a instance method. Self.name equals to name. Self.marks. So we have declared this instance variables in init method. Now you can see we have to create the instance method def display. First parameter should be the self. Def display self parameter is compulsory. And just you can see self parameter is compulsory, means this is the instance method. Now you can operate the instance variable inside the instance method. See, just we are operating print, and this is f string, and you can see student equals to just comma, you can see just print same dot name, means instance variables we are operating here. Within a curly bracket, because this is a f string, self dot name and print mark as well. Self dot marks. So we are operating the instance variable inside the instance method, right? So this is just by using a self keyword. Now we can create by parameter as well. So you can see dev update marks is another one instance methods. Just create this so you can understand. We can pass the parameter as well. Dev update underscore marks. First parameter should be the self, right? Updated marks. This is also instance method. Because we are operating instance variables, and by declaring first parameter as a self keyword. Now just print this save dot marks equals to new marks. We are updating marks by using this method. You can see save dot marks, because we are operating instance variables. Save dot marks equals to updated marks, right? Now just create the object S1 equals to student and Kiran 85. We are creating object of a class. S1 equals to students, and just pass the name and mark. Name is suppose Kiran, as suppose mark is 85, right? 85, and S1 dot display. So we are displaying this first method. S1 dot display. Now create a one more object, and or we can just directly call by update marks method as well by using this object as well. S1 dot update marks, and just pass the mark, that is the 92, and you can see the result, and just call this method dev update marks, or you can print as well. or just call this display method. So already we have printed in display method, so no need to print anything inside this method because already we printing on a display method. So s1 dot display. So now run and check what is the output. So in terminal you can see first student is a Kiran and marks is a 85, right? So we have called this first method, right? Display at the first time, and after that student is the same Kiran and updated marks is a 92 by using the second methods. So we are operating this instance variable inside the instance methods. So that's all about the instance method. We can create the instance method by using the self parameter is the first parameter, and we can operate a self.name means instance variable. So that's all about the instance methods. So remember that we have to declare the instance method by using a self parameter, and we operate the instance variable. So that's why this is called as a instance methods. So that's all about the instance methods in Python. Thank you for watching this video.